Hey guys, my name is Kevin Zhao with Selflane. Today I'm at Nori Ramen and Sushi Bar in Rio Rancho, and I'm going to show you how to use our online ordering system. So to make an order as a consumer, you can just go to selflane.com, select your restaurant, and place your order. You can also use our iOS app in the Apple Store. So here I'm going to choose some deep fried tofu, save the cart. You can also scroll through the courses. So here I'm going to also add a tonkatsu seafood ramen, spicy, and extra tofu, save the cart. When you hit checkout, you can choose between delivery and pickup. Delivery is 6 miles radius from the restaurant location, and it's 45 minutes minimum lead time, and it's a flat fee of $5.99. Don't forget to tip your driver. You can also choose pickup and just select the time needed, and you can also leave a tip as well. Once you make your selection, you just hit submit. When you hit submit, the phone from the restaurant is going to ring. And all it is just an automated message to let the restaurant know that you have an online order. We all know we could get busy and it could be loud in the restaurant, so you might not hear it on the iPad. Now here, when you use the Selflane point of sale system, you'll get a notification on your iPad you received an online order. And once you get to the app and you can just click on the order, it's going to show you exactly what's on the order, what time it is needed. So in this case, it's for 4:50. Shows you the customer name and phone number. So once you package the food and it's ready to go, you can hit process. The customer is going to get an email notification letting them know that the order is ready. And that's it. It's that simple.